morning. It's Thursday, April 23rd, about 7:30 in the morning, and we are getting ready to plant our strawberries. Now, every spring we plant in anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 strawberry plants. That is because we put them in a 2 to 3 year rotation. So that way we plant the first year and we harvest the second and third year. And then they are tilled back into the ground. This helps us to keep the soil fresh and full of nutrients without having to add chemical fertilizers. So we're going to take you with us. Today we're going to do a little vlog showing you how we get the strawberries in the ground, some of the other things that happen around the farm on one of our busiest spring days of the season. We're all bundled up. It's kind of cold out, even though it's supposed to be 56 today. It's a little breezy and probably about 43 right now. So we are wearing full boots. Woo! Boots and snow pants, woolly hats and mittens. Well, maybe not mittens because our hands will get wet, but woolly hats and scarves. We're just waiting for Dad to finish prepping the planting machine and we are off. Hello once more. Just wanted to give you a little wrap up of our strawberry planting day. It went well. The temperature was a little cold in the morning, but we got all 3,000 plants in with the help of our 3 helpers. by about 12:30. So it took us about 4 hours to get it done. And we will have some bare root plants that are left over for sale in our online shop starting probably Sunday the 26th of April or 27th of April, Sunday or Monday. So if you're interested in those, you can head on over there to fireflyberries.com and click on the shop link, and we will have that information there for you. So thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed our little vlog, and we will see you out at the farm soon. Bye-bye.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your